Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually add a non-clickable item to your navigation bar. How you can actually do so, basically let me give you an example. Now if we click on this page or this menu or anything of these pages, it will take us to another page, but simply sometimes you need to add the menu like a name here and add some side menus to it. But this main menu, it has nothing, like it doesn't take you anywhere. It is pretty simple to do it, guys. All I need you to do first is go ahead and open your dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. Right after this page will be opened for you, you need to put your username or email address and then your password. Now this page is open for you guys. Now what I need you to do is go to appearance, and from appearance click on menus. So here, before I do anything, let's create a new menu and let's name it service or services. Now we create a new menu, and here let's make let's go back to pages and let's create some new pages. So let's create service 1 and publish. Okay, now let's create a new one which is service 2 and click on publish. Alright, now let's go back to appearance, menus. Now let's select the services menu and let's add our services. So as you can see here, we really, if we added these two menus somewhere in the website, so let's add them and refresh this page. So service 1, service 2, it is a clickable like menu, so we want it to be unclickable. So let's make a new custom link and let's make the symbol in here and let's name it services, add menu, and just like so. Let's add it here and let's add these two as sub menus. And now let's save menu and let's refresh. So now guys, if we clicked on it, it will not take us anywhere. So if we clicked on the services itself, it will not take us anywhere, but it will still move a little bit, so and change the URL. So what we need to do is go back here, custom link, and remove this URL and click on save. So right after you do so and refresh, if we clicked on service 1, it will work. If we clicked on service 2, it will take us somewhere, but if we clicked on services, it will not actually even give us the like normal cursor icon. It will change it to a text form. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually make a menu unclickable. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.